Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a crochet wig, a straight crochet wig using braid extension. Now this is a braid extension I'm using, is already in cut 2, like I cut it into 2. I've already shown you guys the cap I'm using and then the crochet hook I'm also using. So I'm going to start with taking a little section of the braid extension and then crochet it to the wig cap. To make this wig I used 2 pack of braid extension, and the reason why I used 2 pack of braid extension is because this wig is long compared to other wigs I've been doing on my channel that are like cut 4, cut 3. This one is cut 2. Like, this wig is really long, so that's the reason why I used 2 pack of braid extension. I'm just going to let you guys watch this video till I get to the next step of this wig, where I'll be showing you guys what I did in the next stage of this wig. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, you guys, what are you waiting for? You just watch and not subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Guys, join this family, you will love it here. So subscribe and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it helpful, and leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to share this video with friends and family. To make the closure, this is the closure net I'm using. I'm just going to sew this net to the wig cap. I'm going to use my T-pin to hold it down so that to make the sewing process really easy. I'm going to use my T-pin to pin it down before I start sewing, and I'm using my needle and thread to sew this wig. This remaining part that is left, like this other part that is left, I'm going to show you guys how I filled it up. Like, I did not use the normal crochet method to fill it up, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So just keep on watching. After sewing the closure net to the wig cap, I'm going to cut out the wig cap under the closure net so that when I'm crocheting the braid extension to the, or when I'm making my closure, you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to start picking my closure now. This is the part that takes time. This will take you around 6 hours plus to pick this closure. That's because the lace net is not big, it's small, but it can also take you days. I don't know how many days it took me because I was not like, I did not sit with it for a full, like a straight 6 hours. But if you want to make it, I think 4 hours, you're done with it. So that is it. So I'm just going to start picking the closure now. The picking of this closure, I kind of picked 2 all through. Like, even at the front I picked 2, so it was just 2 all through that I picked at the front. And I'm going to show you guys how I made my pattern as well. To make the pattern, just make sure that you leave 1 extra line of the net, like the holes in the net, just leave 1 straight line. Do not crochet on that line. That will serve as a pattern of the closure. Also, if you want to pick like a line before your pattern, if you want to pick it 1-1, that will make it look a lot more natural. But I just decided to pick 2 in this video because other of my videos I kind of like pick 1-1. To cover up the remaining part of this wig, I'm going to sew this in, and if you want to learn how I made this, I'm going to leave a video of how I made this up here, so you guys should watch that video after watching this one. Of course, do not click out, please watch this one finish before watch this first before you watch that other one.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
Put it in hot water, and I'm going to use my hand dryer to dry it, just blow dry it so it dries fast. And after drying it, I'm going to use my flat iron to straighten this wig. And if you want to straighten your wig, just make sure that the heat is not too much. It should not be on a medium, it should be on a low heat depending on the temperature of your flat iron. So just, you know, work with what you have and just regulate your flat iron as you work with it. So I'm just going to do this twice like I normally do. I kind of stretch my wig twice so I will get the most or the best, you know, out of it.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I'm on my play. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them.
So I'm just going to cut the tip now so everything looks uniform and cute.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away.
So yeah guys, this is a final look of this wig. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. I will see you all in my next video.